Hey folks, this is the F150 2002, 2003. Changing the reverse light bulb. It's fairly simple, so it'll be a fast one. There's two bolts on the side. One here and one here. I believe it's a 8mm. Okay, 8mm bolts on the side of the tailgate. Okay, screws on this side here. And then there's two little push tabs in here. Okay, push tabs over there. Pop into these little plastic inserts. You can use it if you pry it right here. Just go here and just pry it out a little bit, and the whole tail light will come out. Okay, once the whole tail light comes out, then it's basically lefty loosey, righty tighty on the socket. Reverse light is the one on the bottom. All right, like I said over here, take the socket here, turn it to the left, comes right out. Okay, once it comes out, change the bulb. Okay, it just snaps on. Change the bulb. I'm doing this one hand, so I'm not gonna show you how it goes, but that's what it is. The dog is barking because there's somebody walking in the area. Okay, let's put this bulb back in. Righty tighty. And you're all set. Now we're gonna line up these little tabs over here. There you go. Okay, I'm gonna put the two 8mm screws in there, and we're good to go. All right, that's it. It's a quick one. Thanks for watching. Ciao.